Let's assume that you have read twice now a very simple problem where we're isolating our investment thinking to 1 year, the year that you made this then $35,000 that's being taxed at 20%, where you're spending $2,200 every month. There's 12 months in a year. The interest rate you presume you can earn at first is 10%. You're 60 years old. You will be 60. You're 22 right now. So that's what happens when you get older. You start thinking differently. And then the revenues I just calculated as being revenues after tax. If you pay a 20% tax rate, then 1 minus 20 is you earn 80% of your 35,000 revenues as your actual income. Then that leaves you with expenses as being 12 times the $2,200 in monthly spend, leaving you then with a $1,600 end of year that you could go ahead and invest. So let's go ahead and determine that if we take and make negative this present value, we're putting away $1,600 then. That if we wanted to invest, we think we could earn that first rate of 10%. And that's a 10% annual rate because we're going to be investing from the time we're 22 to the time that we're 60, which is a 38-year period. And there's nothing that indicates we're doing this regularly. This is just a one-time investment. So the future value of that one investment, if you were to earn 10% and invest it for 38 years where you make no payment, but put $1,600 away originally, grows into almost $60,000 38 years later. The second part of the question asks, what if you were more aggressive and earned a 12% rate of return? Well, this time again, let's invest that 1,600. I'm going to copy and paste the formula down because my structure is going to be set up so that it points automatically so that when I put a zero payment in here, and then the second rate that was given to us in the problem was 12%, and I confirm that those were indeed all annual or yearly amounts, so that in the top I was 10% annual for 38 years. Where on the bottom, I'm 12% annual for, again, that 38 years. And magically, because of the way that I copied and pasted, at a rate of E31, when periods are E32, when the payments are sitting here at E30, with a present value of E28, if you're a more aggressive investor, you would see a significant increase in that slightly higher investment strategy would turn your 1,600 into 58,000 more. Above the 59, you would project at 10%, and way up at 118 at that 12%.